Hello foodies, I'm going to show you the most famous Konkani recipe, that is prawns rice. For that you will need 1.5 cup of biryani rice. Also marinate your prawns overnight with salt, turmeric and ginger garlic paste. Soak your rice in a cup of water for about 10 minutes before actual cooking. This will just speed up the cooking process when we start the actual cooking. Keep the bowl aside. For the ingredients you need 1 cup of marinated prawns, a tablespoon of ginger garlic and green chili paste, 1 green chili, mint leaves, cardamom, peppercorns, lemon juice, chopped coriander, bay leaves, tomatoes, chopped onions and a cup of potatoes, 1 cup oil, 1 cup chopped spring onions, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, jeera powder, turmeric powder. Also jeera seeds is optional, and your soaked rice. Heat up a pan and put your cup of oil in it. Once the oil is hot, add your bay leaves, cardamom, peppercorns, chopped green chilies and stir well until all the spices leave a mild aroma. Now go ahead and add chopped onion and mixed until it sweats. Now add ginger garlic paste and green chili paste to it and stir well until cooked. Nicely, add chopped tomatoes and give a gentle stir. Once the tomatoes are also cooked, add turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala and mix properly. All the recipe and measurements for the masalas down below the video. You can check out it later. Once you see all the masalas releasing oil from it, go ahead and add marinated prawns and add some lemon juice to it. No need to let it cook, because we are going to cook everything together, because this is a one pot recipe. Also add the diced potatoes and add salt to taste. Gently mix until well combined. Now you can add mint leaves and coriander leaves to it. Now add your soaked rice and 3 cups of water and mix well until all combined. Let it cook on a medium flame for about 10 minutes until you see the rice is 50 to 60% done. Now you see the rice is 50 to 60% done. Now cover it with a lid and let it cook for further 15 minutes on a medium to high flame. Now once done, garnish the prawns rice with my secret ingredient which adds that extra taste and fresh bite to our recipe is chopped spring onions, and serve hot and enjoy. This is again optional, but trust me guys, spring onions gives that extra taste, extra bite to your recipe, and you'll thank me later. Thank you guys for following and subscribing to my channel. More such recipes are coming to your way. Until then, please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.